Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm not at my house. I'm in Florida. I'm gonna go fishing pretty much all week, so there should be a video every week for you guys. Hold on. Screen looks a little dirty. Alright, that's better. Let's see. I'm gonna take this rod down. It's got that on it. And I'm going to put this stuff that kind of looks like lip balm on it, but it smells like shrimp. So, I'll see you down there. It's not what? It's not lip balm. Well, this is what I'm putting on the thing. This smells like mullet. I don't want to use mullet. Oh, okay, almost got hooked. I want to use this shrimp. Yeah, this is shrimp. I'm going to use some shrimp. I'm going to put it on my bait, and then I'm going to cast it out. There's some things jumping out there. Adjust the camera. There's some things jumping out there, but I usually use live bait here, so I don't know how well this is going to work. Well, I'm thinking I definitely need some live bait, but I don't have any right now. But, I see a cocoa nut. Coconut. Yeah. Looks a little old. It's probably fine, but I'm not taking the chance on that. And I did see a blue crab down in there. I don't see him anymore, but I do have a crab trap that I'm probably going to put out. And I'll do that later today. You guys will see that. So yeah. You can see that, but there's fish jumping out there. So I'm going to keep trying. Well, okay, that was not what I wanted to do. I've got a small snapper following it, but he's not a keeper, but it'd still just be fun to catch him. But he is not completely chasing it. He's just following it and checking it out. So I'm not 100% sure if he's gonna take it or not. Hopefully he'll take it. See if he follows. Yep, yeah, there's two of them following it. They're both small, but three. They're all small, but come on. Alright, I've got him here. There's a bunch of like baby snappers as well, but okay, that was a terrible cast, but I'm gonna run it past him. Okay, I think they saw it that time. Alright guys, so I'm changing it up a little bit here. I've got a fake shrimp, and I put that shrimp smelling stuff on it. So maybe since they like real shrimp, hopefully they'll like this little fake shrimp. I stopped fishing. I'm gonna go back out. The heck, there's a lizard or something there. But I'm gonna get live bait, and then I'm gonna go back out. But in the meantime, I might put the crab trap out, so, yeah. Alright guys, so I've got the crab trap here, and some pig's feet, and so I'm going to put that in, and I just got some live bait, so I'm going to see if I can catch some fish. And while I was getting live bait, I went to the pier, and I did a little bit of fishing there, and I caught one fish, so I'll put a clip up right now.
up there?
Yeah.
Want me to hold on to him?
Yeah, he's got spikes.
Oh, he does? Where?
Yeah, on his fins.
Oh, I didn't even see that. What even is that?
I have no idea.
Those birds eat them when you throw them back?
Huh?
Those birds eat them when you throw them back?
They try. Alright, so if you guys knew what that fish was in the video, let me know. But right now I'm going to get these pig's feet open and get this crab trap out. Wow, okay, this is odd. I'm going to get this open and unfrozen. Alright, so I just cut the crap out of my hand. And it hurts a lot, but I'm going to put the crab trap in.
My dad spends 3-4 months down here at my aunt's house, and he's always out on the kayak. I'm trying to tell him how he can get back there. What do you got?
We got our house up for sale. I'm gonna miss it.
Are you this corner one?
No, we're just right there. You can see my stairs right there. That white fence.
Okay, yeah.
We're right
Okay.
there.
We always look. We always think we want to come down here. We're Pennsylvania.
Oh, Pennsylvania.
But I'm just born in the Keys, raised in
All right.
Florida, and
Yeah.
so
If I had my choice, I'd be down there.
me
Love to die.
too.
Here done fish. That's my boy. We're like, yeah, I can just take my boy and go. You know.
Yep. What'd you get?
Ooh, catfish.
Yeah, he's making me work for it. I bet. Careful, though. They put it way back in.
Is it a catfish? Yeah, it is, yeah. That's a big guy. Mm-hmm.
You alright with that?
Yeah.
Pull it on the tail.
That's tight. He wants to fish, he's not happy at all.
You got a pair of pliers?
Yeah. Oh, I left the rag at home. Edge.
Look at her. She's like, I want that. Yeah, not that one.
If you go this way, they can never get you.
Okay.
And they have teeth too. The little bastards will bite you. See their teeth?
Mm-hmm.
They'll bite you.
Another small one. No, it's a little bit bigger, I think.
The same species.
Yeah.
Now it's got elder in there.
I think he's a little bit bigger.
There you go. Got him away.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey guys, sorry I didn't talk when I caught those last few fish. There was just a lot of people and I didn't really feel like being that weird guy talking to the camera. So, now there's nobody here. What I'm trying to do right now is get a shrimp to put on the line. So let me finally explain what's happening here. So, I've got shrimp and then I've got squid. And on the one line, I've got shrimp, on the other line I've got squid. And I'm getting bites. Finally, and my finger feels real good. It won't stop bleeding, but this rod just fell in the water while this one was getting a bite. That's a big duck. So, yeah, that's what's happening. So, cast that out right there. See how I can't get one on camera right now. I think they're nibbling on it. Come on, take it. Just take it. Oh, I thought I had one. Trying to set that hook like a professional. I really hope my GoPro doesn't go out of battery. I think I scared him off. Nope, I think he's still there. Oh well, I'll come back when there's a fish. Okay. Got him. No. Yeah, alright, cool, I still got him. Another one. Another one. I know he's not 10, but we're just gonna see how long he is. I need gloves. These guys have spikes. I know how to grab them so I don't get the spikes in me, but I'm not taking the chance. And I bet you this is going to be when my other rod gets. Yeah. Calm down. Okay, that probably looked really like I'm an idiot. Calm. He is 8. Okay. 8 inches. Come on. Alright guys, so both of my lines broke, so I'm just gonna throw this baby out. Hopefully I can get some crabs. Alright. Goodbye, crab trap. Alright guys. Well, caught a few snapper. Big catfish. Another catfish at the pier. Sorry I did talk to a few of them. There was just a lot of people and I didn't want to be the weird guy talking to the camera. This is pretty much going to be every day, but hopefully I'll catch a few different kinds of fish and hopefully I'll catch a few keepers. So, I think this is the most I've used my camera in one day. I was everywhere. So, thank you for watching and have a great day. Fishy.